little heroes! Welcome back to AbcFirst Kids! I am Jojo, the dancing jellyfish. Can you see my glowing magic lights? Today, we are going to have a super fun party with letter J. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at this giant magic shell. Here is big J. And here is small j. Listen to its sound. J, J, J. Repeat with Jojo. J, J, J. To write big J, line down with a small hook at the bottom. For small j, a line down with a hook and a shiny dot on top. Easy and fun! Yay! Let's find the words that start with J. Jellyfish, juice box, jam jar, jet plane. What is this floating friend? Jellyfish. What is this yummy drink? Juice. What is this sweet jar? Jam. And what is this fast plane? Jet! Fantastic job! J is for jellyfish, floating in the sea. J is for juice, yummy as can be. J is for jam and jet so neat. Dance with Jojo, J, J, J. Hooray! That song was awesome. Now stand up, my friends. Let's do the magic jellyfish jiggle. Jiggle 1, J. Jiggle 2, J. Jiggle each 3 E, J. Wow! You made the whole ocean glow. High five! You did an awesome job today. If you loved Jojo and our underwater party, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any fun on AbcFirst Kids. Get ready! Our next video is going to be super exciting with letter K and a bounce time. See you next time. Bye-bye!